So what is better about CRM Analytics embedded in Salesforce as opposed to using a general BI tool or platform and embedding that back into CRM? Well, it's important to remember that this is very much a and conversation, not an either or conversation. So when you look at other BI tools, and I'll use the example of Tableau, it's an enterprise general BI platform. You're using it for complex analysis. You're leveraging your enterprise data schemas, reporting, dashboarding, self-serve analysis as well. And you're embedding it into your non-Salesforce applications. And of course, it can be embedded into Salesforce. In the case of Tableau, quite easily. And in the case of other BI platforms, that's a case-by-case discussion. Now for CRM Analytics, it's optimized for CRM. It's designed to be embedded in Salesforce. So it is contextual, actionable, and operationalized. So as we think about the benefits of embedding CRMA into Salesforce, so the benefits of a platform approach to CRM intelligence, I'm just going to give you 6 simple thoughts to consider and to explain why, in my opinion, you're always better off, if possible, embedding CRMA into Salesforce as opposed to a general BI platform being embedded. So firstly, CRMA infuses intelligence across the Salesforce user experience, and it does so using a variety of powerful, pre-configured analytics apps that are designed for Salesforce data, designed for Salesforce users, and designed to work in an optimal fashion within the Salesforce CRM. Now, obviously, these are not purely a case of switching them on and hey presto, you've got a perfect solution. But these out-of-the-box apps give you a huge advantage in terms of saving time and effort and money in getting value out of your analytics within Salesforce, because again, Salesforce has invested, I don't know how many hours, probably millions, I guess, of hours in designing, building, testing, and deploying these apps. The second reason why you're better off putting CRMA into Salesforce than a general BI platform is that CRMA is able to inherit Salesforce security and sharing so that governance, permissions, who sees what is way, way easier to configure than when you're using a general BI platform. Thirdly, with CRMA, you get the advantage of an on-platform, no-code AI machine learning tool or platform known as Einstein Discovery, and there are other Einstein functionalities involved as well. On top of that, supervised machine learning, completely no-code, will incorporate also bringing your own model, tons of functionality. There's just so much you can do with these predictive, prescriptive insights that come with CRMA that are then embedded back into the Salesforce user experience. Number 4, CRMA, it natively integrates out of the box with Salesforce automation. You may see a recent video that I did on the ability to add actions to your widgets in CRMA. So this could include flow or next best action. So you're empowering Salesforce users and enabling them to go quickly and easily from data to insight to action. Number 5, with CRMA, you can write data back to Salesforce records so the insights are seen and used in CRM without having to access any dashboards at all. So you can actually take the insights and the transform data, including data from external sources, from CRM Analytics, and not only put that in a dashboard that's embedded in Salesforce, but actually push that data onto a Salesforce record. And then number 4, you're ensuring data freshness and completeness with a near real-time data sync and also the option of live connections to Salesforce objects from CRMA. Whereas with most other BI platforms, generally speaking, you're extracting Salesforce data, pulling it into a data warehouse where you're transforming it, then you're visualizing it and then pushing it back into Salesforce. Obviously, you've got data then that is quite stale. The exception to that would be Tableau, particularly using our new Data Cloud offering. So hopefully this is helpful. Try to help you understand why, generally speaking, if you're going to push analytics back into Salesforce, most of the time a platform approach is the better way to go using CRM Analytics. If you've got any questions at all, please put a comment on the video or shoot me a direct message through LinkedIn. Cheers.